Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a tire on an Audi A6. First, find a safe, level spot away from traffic and engage your parking brake. Turn on your hazard lights for visibility. Gather your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench from the trunk. For added safety, place wheel chocks or blocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the flat tire. This prevents any unwanted movement while you work. Now, before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen each lug nut on the flat tire. Just a quarter to half turn is usually enough. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point on your Audi A6 is frame, near the flat tire. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. Double-check that the car is stable on the jack. With the car safely elevated, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts you previously loosened. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Carefully grasp the flat tire and pull it straight off the wheel studs. It might be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Now, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Gently push the spare tire onto the hub until it sits flush. Once the spare tire is on, hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as you can. Then, slowly lower your Audi A6 until the tire is fully on the ground. Now, using your lug wrench, tighten each lug nut completely in a star pattern for even pressure. Finally, check the spare tire's pressure. It should be around 60 psi. Drive cautiously to the nearest service center to repair or replace your original tire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.